If you're an adventure seeker, Trapani is the place for water activities. Whether it's a thrilling scuba diving experience or a relaxing boat tour, Trapani offers the best options for a fun-filled time on the water. From Trapani, Favignana and Levanzo mini cruise with lunch. Embark on an idyllic sightseeing boat tour from Trapani, Italy, featuring the picturesque islands of Favignana and Levanzo. Your journey begins in the morning, setting off from the port of Trapani for your inaugural stop at Favignana. Venture through the narrow cobblestone streets and serene beaches of this charming island village, allowing ample time for a leisurely dip. Subsequently, take a panoramic boat tour along the coastline, seeking out the mesmerizing coves of Favignana, including Cala Rossa, Bumarino, and Cala Azzurra. Indulge in a rejuvenating swim amidst the pristine blue waters. Dine on a traditional Trapani-style pasta dish prepared aboard your vessel, complemented by a selection of regional wines. Enjoy the delightful culinary experience while taking in the breathtaking Mediterranean scenery. Upon reaching Levanzo, immerse yourself in the picturesque village atmosphere. Relax on the sun-soaked shorelines, perhaps enjoying a refreshing swim or gazing out at the stunning views from the port of Levanzo. Finally, cruise towards Cala Fredda, Cala Minola, and the iconic Faraglione. Let the island's serenity envelop you as you return to Trapani in the evening, ready to relive the memorable voyage and savor the tranquility of these enchanting Mediterranean destinations. From Trapani, Egadi Islands, Favignana and Levanzo cruise. Embark on a serene voyage from Trapani to the enchanting island of Favignana. Embark on this memorable adventure aboard a meticulously maintained vessel, designed for both comfort and safety, ensuring a delightful experience for all passengers, including children and adults alike. Navigate through the crystal-clear waters of Cala Rossa, where the mesmerizing blue hues of the Mediterranean meet the golden sand. Next, explore the ancient tough quarry of Bumarino, offering a glimpse into the island's rich geological history. Proceed to Cala Azzurra, a pristine sandy beach whose captivating turquoise waters evoke feelings of serenity. Delve deeper into the island's past as you visit the historical Florio village, once renowned for its tuna processing industry. Alternatively, savor a sumptuous meal at one of the local seafood restaurants, each providing a unique culinary experience. Depart from the Favignana harbor to venture towards Lover's Cave, a natural wonder best explored via guided snorkeling tours equipped with personal gear. Swim gracefully between the two caves, discovering hidden treasures beneath the waves. Ascend to the peak of Levanzo, a towering sea stack, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding. Finally, arrive at Cala Fredda, a picturesque bay teeming with vibrant marine life, and a secluded pebble beach accessible via gentle swimming. Conclude your journey with a visit to Cala Minola, the ultimate endpoint of this unforgettable escapade. As the anchor is lowered, bid farewell to the breathtaking beauty of Favignana Island. From Trapani, cruise to Favignana and Levanzo with lunch. Embark upon this captivating expedition. Departure commences at 9:30 a.m. from the bustling port of Trapani. Your itinerary unfolds with an enchanting first stop in the picturesque island of Favignana, arriving approximately 1 hour later at 10:20 a.m. Upon arrival, indulge in the vibrant atmosphere of Favignana's center, where you may explore local boutiques and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage. Alternatively, engage in leisurely activities such as museum visits, such as the ex Stabilimento Florio, or simply bask on the sandy shores for relaxation. Your journey continues seamlessly as you board the vessel bound for Favignana at 12:30 p.m. Embarking upon a scenic voyage, admire the breathtaking landscapes comprising the coastline, including the mesmerizing Calette, such as Cala Rossa and Cala Azzurra. Here, you shall find ample opportunity to immerse yourself in the tranquility of the sea, while enjoying a delightful picnic lunch, included within the excursion. As the sun begins its descent towards the horizon, prepare to set sail once again, heading towards the charming coastal town of Levanzo. Upon arrival, allow yourself to be captivated by the quaint charm of Levanzo, a traditional fishing village brimming with history and culture. From Levanzo, embark upon a memorable day by embarking aboard a small boat to discover the secluded coves of Cala Freda and Cala Minola. Afterward, proceed to another serene destination for a rejuvenating dip. You shall conclude your journey back to Trapani at approximately 5:30 p.m., marking the end of an unforgettable adventure through the enchanting waters of Sicily. From Trapani, Favignana and Levanzo boat tour. Upon departure from the port of Trapani approximately 40 minutes later, passengers will embark upon a shuttle service designed to transport them to their initial destination, Favignana. This charming island, often referred to as the Big Butterfly on the Sea, boasts a pristine environment characterized by its crystalline waters. Visitors are afforded an ample 4-hour duration to explore various aspects of the island, including opportunities for cycling tours, leisurely strolls through historic districts, or sampling traditional Sicilian cuisine and wines. Following the initial exploration phase at Favignana, travelers will proceed to Levanzo. Here they may marvel at the picturesque coastline and possibly indulge in a refreshing swim in one of the island's distinctive coves. For those who wish to delve deeper into the local culture, the final hour of their journey will be dedicated to visiting the unique village of Levanzo. Upon returning to Trapani, passengers will conclude their adventure with a smooth transition back to shore. Trapani, Marettimo Island and Sea Caves boat tour with Lunchka. Assemble at the port of Trapani and embark aboard the vessel for an approximately 1 hour and 30-minute voyage to the island of Marettimo. Upon arrival, we shall proceed through the scenic waters, pausing periodically along the route to explore some of the most enchanting coves and caves. Throughout our journey, our experienced crew will remain attentive, ready to assist should any inquiries arise. Upon reaching Marettimo's shores, we invite you to indulge in a leisurely exploration of the quaint town, taking pleasure in its winding alleys and picturesque architecture. Alternatively, you may prefer to relax at the local beach, basking in the sun's gentle embrace. Our culinary team will prepare a variety of delectable dishes on board, ensuring every palate is satisfied. Following our overnight stay, we set sail once again towards Levanzo, stopping briefly for a concluding swim and a panoramic view of the island's breathtaking vistas. This concludes our adventure. Farewell.